Hi, my name is Mark Collins. I'm a Director of Remote and Autonomous Systems here at SMD. We've had a lot of questions about SMD's new EV robotics range, and we're going to be answering a lot of these questions in a series of videos that we're going to be releasing on Facebook and LinkedIn over the coming weeks. So yes, the vehicle is clearly not all electric. In fact, this vehicle has the ability to deliver up to 200 horsepower of hydraulic tooling power. That's actually in excess of most hydraulic vehicles. But that hydraulic power is in the form of modules, and those modules have been designed to be slotted into this vehicle to allow our clients to use their existing tools and use existing manipulators for their operations. Currently, the market for electric tools is quite small. There are many companies that are looking at them and developing them, and the same goes for electric manipulators. Up to now, electric manipulators have tended to be of the smaller variants. There's nothing really on the market just yet, certainly that's proven, that can compete with hydraulic manipulators that a work-class ROV needs. So we needed to ensure that we had the capability to run all work-class tooling, all the way up to the most powerful tooling. And then, in the future, when electric tooling comes along, we can actually uncouple some of the modules. One of the modules you can see here, the little HPU in the background, it's a 50 kilowatt HPU, very small, can actually be unplugged from the vehicle and replaced with electric tools. Hope you found that video interesting. If you have any questions, please get in touch. Details will be at the end of this video. Thanks very much.